And do you have any special advice besides what you already talked about for parents of kids who have Down or trisomy 21 or any other genetic syndromes in that category?
Oh, that's a good question. So kids who have some kind of genetic condition, and Down syndrome is one of them, you got to start early because your intervention as a parent can increase their education level by 2 years.
Mm,
They may need little bit more bonding. They may need little bit more talk. You need to read for them, talk to them, respond to their needs, and respond to their curiosities. And they may take their little bit more time, but that's totally fine. One thing I remember when I was little, one time I went to one of the family friends. So when I was little, I was not a very good student in because I was not into education too much, like getting scores and stuff. I never cared early
okay.
on in my life. So when I
Okay.
started getting interested in education and getting grades, initially I was not getting, despite hard work, I was not getting good grades. One day I went to one of the that uncle. So he told me that you don't have very good background of education. It's fine, no problem. If a genius guy needs 2 hours, you spend 8 hours. You will be equal. And over time, if you keep doing it, things will improve. And then at the end of the day, there will be no difference between you and a genius guy. So I think what is important for if you have child who has little bit of developmental delays or if you put this virtue of hard work in them, then they will compensate. They may
Yeah.
not achieve like you don't need to with the regular kids, but they will achieve a lot. I
Mm,
see here in US everywhere, even the Down syndrome, they are working in grocery shops. They are like they are doing jobs like not like they're not flying airplanes, but still they function. They can
mm,
live an independent life.
yeah.
And as a
And
parent, please don't give up. That's the whole point.
yeah,
So
yeah.
if you work hard, they will do pretty okay.